boys and girls! Welcome to What is This? Where we guess and learn new words on different subjects. And today we will talk about
birds.
That's right! We will talk about birds. What do the birds do? What's special about the birds?
They can fly.
That's right.
Sit on the water and they can catch other fish.
That's right. Different fishes. The
And
birds.
they can look for fishes on the sea.
Let's try to guess our first bird.
What is this?
What is this?
Whoa, please, if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like. Woof, woof, woof.
Is it a pelican?
No, that's not a pelican.
No.
They can have only fishes on the water.
Is that a
Sparrow.
No, that's not a sparrow.
No.
Is that a
Goose.
Swan.
That's a swan. S-W-A-N. It's a swan. It's a beautiful white bird. You know what they stand for? They stand for the laugh because they have this, you see, they have this beautiful long necks, and then when they come together, they give a shape of a heart. And they live together on the lake. They make their big nest and then take care. Mama and Papa take care of their little
Babies.
of their babies. That's right. They take care of their babies. And the swans, when they are the babies.
They're like grayish.
Yes, they grayish. That's right. And what do they eat? They eat seaweed, small fishes, frogs, worms, everything that they can get from under the water. But they would even survive in the field because they can eat the grass. Let's try to guess. Bird.
I know.
Let's try it. What is this?
What is this?
It's a bird, I think. I think it's a bird.
This one's like
Is that a hummingbird?
hummingbird.
No, that's not a hummingbird. No.
This bird. I love hummingbirds.
No.
Yeah, they're the
Is that a pigeon? No, that's not a pigeon.
No.
So what can it be?
bird. The bird.
Which one?
Bird.
Which one?
Seagull.
That's right. That's the
Seagull.
Seagull. Yay! It's like sea and gull together. You can call them gulls, but normally we call them seagulls. Yeah, they.
Like a baby.
You know what's special about them?
No, I
They
don't know
can-
what's special about the gulls.
They can drink fresh water and salt water. They have special system that allow them to take out the salt from the water so they can survive. It's very cool. What they
They can
eating?
also fly and they can eat salt water and warm water.
Yeah, they catching the fishes, crabs. They swim very good. They can float on the water for a long
They're
time.
almost like
And they
eagles.
making when they nesting, they making a nest in the sand. They making a soft places where there's no people, and they making their nests. Let's try to guess our next bird. What will it be? What is this?
What is this?
Is that a seagull?
Seagull.
No, that's not a seagull. No. Is that a pelican? No, that's not a pelican.
No.
That's not a pelican. Is that a... Who is that?
Sparrow.
Sparrow.
Yay! That's the sparrow. How big is the sparrow?
Like this.
Like this, little, yeah? Like little. What color is the sparrow?
I would
That's
say
right.
they're blackish brown.
Yeah, they brownish, beige, brown. They blend in. Where they normally live?
I don't know.
In the cities.
And I think they can fly all around Earth.
They
Maybe half.
they can fly very high and they can fly very fast. up to like 38 kilometers per hour. It's very fast. That was it about the birds. If you want to know more, don't forget to
subscribe